Hi there, handbaggers, and welcome to the Duck's Nest. This is the Military Mom, and this video will be a very quick double unboxing. But before I get started, I wanted to take a moment to wish all the tribe sisters who are traveling together on the cruise safe travels. I'm sure you all are having great fun together, and fellowship is always present when the tribe sisters get together. So happy cruising, ladies, and a welcome to my new subscribers. Thank you for dropping by the Duck's Nest. So let's go ahead and get started. So let me give you just a quick update on these two unboxings. They are basically the same color. What I did was I bought both boxes. I did buy boxes. I bought bags to compare the color. So that is what is in these boxes. Two bags that are similar in color. So let's go ahead and get started. And I am not going to edit this video, so I hope nothing crazy happens because I have an errand to run and I need to get out of here. All right, so the first is a Coach unboxing, and I don't know if it'll be easier for me to stand up. And there is the Coach carriage. Nice heavyweight paper. Beautiful presentation. And I'm going to manhandle this because I need to get this done. So hold on, let me, that is a thank you postcard, and then my receipt back there in the back. That just slid to the front. I always get happy when I unbox Coach because the packaging is just so lovely. All right, so here is the color family, light blue, and this is the Clarkson Hobo. And we're all familiar with Clarkson, but just in case you aren't, here is the style number, the color, and of course you can tell that it's pebble leather. We have silver hardware, and we have a satchel strap. This is not a 1941 item, as you know. We have a back inverted zip that, let me see, I think this goes all the way to the base of the bag. And I can tell you all, I am not crazy about this style of inverted zipper because sometimes it makes it hard to open. I just wish that this little leather piece wasn't there, but that's just my preference. And you can see my fingers go all the way to the base of the bag, so a nice capacity on the back zip. She doesn't have a zipper, she has a magnetic, which allows for very easy access, and she also has a shoulder strap. So here is the back wall of the Clarkson, and I'm not going to remove the stuffing because I'm not sure which of these bags I'm going to keep. One of them is going back. And then Here is the double slip on the other wall. There's no center zip divider or anything. It's just a wide open satchel with a very easy to access interior, and as always, lovely Coach styling. All right, so here is the Clarkson Hobo. I'm going to put her back and move what I hope is easily to the next, hold on you all. Which we all recognize is a Dooney and Bourke. And let me just pull out my packaging slip really quickly. Show you all the price on this one. And here's her pedigree paper. This is a small satchel. And this looks like it might be a return, but we shall see. At least her pedigree paper is there. The last one I had, her pedigree paper, the last Dooney and Bourke item that I ordered from I Love didn't even have a pedigree. She was a definite return, but I kept it because I loved the bag and the color. And hold on, I'm gonna have to switch hands here to see if I can cut this from this angle. All right, we are in like Flynn. Ooh, she is so pretty. Oh, oh, oh. I haven't even totally released her. This is the small satchel, and you can tell that even though she is pretty, she's a return because she, I don't know. Let's see. Honestly, I can deal with the return. I prefer my bags to be in their packaging, and this one might be packaged well, but honestly, as long as the bag isn't damaged, I, who buy pre-loved, am not going to stress. All right, let me just remove her from the box. Oh, she's so pretty. This is pebble leather, small size. So of course, because it's not Florentine, her tassels are not underlined in suede. Hard decision. Hard decision because, yeah, you all know this was a return. But again, I am queen of the pre-loved bag, so I am not going to fuss about it. Yep, no Dooney and Bourke tissue paper, but just a lovely color. Let me see if I can manage to put the Clarkson, again, trying to do this with one hand, guys, sorry. So the colors, the Coach Clarkson And then the Dooney and Bourke pale blue with gold hardware. Clarkson, what hardware she does have is silver. But you all, I can tell you right now, I am leaning toward the Dooney and Bourke. I think the Clarkson is pretty. She's definitely easier to access than the Dooney and Bourke. But sometimes you have to go with your heart and not with practicality. And I think you all, in this case, Dooney's gonna win the battle of the blues. So there you have it, just a quick unboxing. Well, I thought it was quick. We're at 11 minutes. Thanks so much for dropping by the Duck's Nest. And as always, happy carrying.